Welcome back, viewers. From today's video onwards, we are going to look at AV Linux. So AV Linux is nothing but audio video Linux. So it is a specialized Linux distribution made for the audio video creators. And this is the website of the AV Linux. So you have got very simple website. Nothing much is there. It is not very graphic savvy. It is all data only, all textual only, very less photographs and all those kind of graphical things on this website. So let us first check out the home page. So on the home page you have got the blog where the latest news is that AV Linux MX edition 23.2 ISO update has been released. So it addresses a few annoying and potentially show-stopping bugs that appeared in the release of the AVL MXC 23.1 release. So that was based on the Enlightenment desktop. So earlier, up to the this older 21 releases, they had the XFC desktop as the base, but now they have shifted over to Enlightenment, which is more lighter, and it releases more memory for the memory intensive tasks while doing the audio video recordings. So they have shifted to Enlightenment. Enlightenment we have seen in the Bodhi Linux. It is a great desktop. It is very light, and especially it is good for the older systems where we cannot run heavy desktops and heavy operating systems. So it is for the leaner machines, or we can say for the leaner requirements. Enlightenment is one of the best suitable desktop. Now let us go over to the AV Linux MX edition. So this is how the desktop will look when you first install it. So the AV Linux has been there since 2008, is now combined with the powerful versatility of MX Linux. So now the base is the MX Linux is there as a base with the Enlightenment desktop. Earlier it was MX Linux with XFC desktop. Now it is MX Linux base with the Enlightenment desktop, and it comes with the high performance liquidX kernel and the beautiful and efficient Enlightenment desktop environment. There is whole host of useful tools, including the venerable MX tools. So MX tools, complete suite of MX suite is available in this AV Linux with the convenience of specialized custom utilities. The system is tuned out of the box, so you don't have to do any tuning. For the fast, low latency audio performance, seamless pipewire integration, and optional support for the Windows audio and plugin. So the Windows VST plugins are also there, and you can use through the Wine staging and the YA-Bridge. Currently, AV Linux MX edition is recognized by MX Linux and utilizes its build tools and the packaging, but is not an official MX Linux product. So it is something in between. It utilizes the build tools and the packaging of MX Linux. The base is also MX Linux, but it is not an official MX Linux product. So official, you don't get any support from the MX Linux team or the MX Linux website. So those forums will not find any help. You have to stick to the manuals, user manuals, and the manual ManDB pages of AV Linux only. So you can watch this video. It is a big long video, in-depth tutorial from the maintainer. So downloads are provided on my own VPS with extra mirrors generously provided by Bytemark, ISO files with accompanying MD5, SHA-256, and the signature files all provided for security verification. AVL MXC is only available in 64 architecture with the MX AHS. So the advanced hardware support of MX Linux is already there in the AV Linux, and it has been enabled. MX Linux AV Linux is provided free of charge and is fully functional except for included third-party software demos. So there are some demos. The demos will work for only some time. After that, you require to purchase those software. Otherwise, the demos will not work. It takes a tremendous amount of time and effort to develop and maintain such a specialized operating system, and these efforts have all have associated cost. both monetary and otherwise. If you use AVL MXC regularly, then I would ask you to consider making a donation here. So we will check this out also. And to the MX Linux parent organization in a recognition of the cost involved. People doing content production regularly purchase various add-ons, plugins, and other applications in the course of their work. I would ask you to give the same consideration to the operating system that hosts them. Thanks. So it is very, we can say, very much reasonable to ask for donations. And you can retrieve the AV Linux JPG key from here. These are the download mirrors. You can use any of them. And this is the current release that was released. You can see it here, 2024-04-05. Live media password is demo. AV Linux MX edition contains some specialized customized applications and packaging that is not available within the repository this time. In this event, you need to retrieve or reinstall any of that special packaging. An archive web folder has been provided for your support, so you can check it out also. So this is nothing but some support is there. This is a spare time project. It has been maintained since 2008 when time and resources are available. I cannot commit to full-time daily support, and as such there is no dedicated user forum. Most common questions covered in the video linked above, and when time allows I can be found on the MX Linux respins subforums. Okay, so the developer is available when free time permits on the MX Linux respins subforum and in the Linux musicians distribution subforum. So you can check out there. If he is available, you can ask him direct questions, or you can leave questions, maybe he will answer. So that is up to him. When he finds time, he can answer you. Help is always needed and wanted for existing users of AVL MEX MXC to assist the other users. So that's it. Now this is the donation link. You can donate reasonable or fair amount of money for the project to Glenn MacArthur. So he is the developer of this MX Linux based AV Linux. You can donate with PayPal or you can donate with debit or credit card. Now the index of packages. So this is the index of custom packages. So these packages are not available in the repositories. So these are only available in the AV Linux. And if you, by chance, if you uninstall them and you want to reinstall them, then you can download them from here. So it is a list of all the specialized packages that are not available in the MX Linux repositories. So these are only available here. So you can download it from here. So that's very good of the developer to post such an index of packages. So it is easy for the users to correct their mistakes, uninstall, install mistakes. So I think that's it, and you can check this out also. AVL drum kits. So these are some kits available from the developer, so you can buy the license and use them. And there is that rated blue. Let us check this out. So it is jam band power trio from the southwestern Ontario, Canada. So it is some band is there, and then Bandshed Records is there. So this is the Bandshed Records is the name under which we release multimedia content. So I think the developer is engaged in creating multimedia content and releasing it under the Bandshed Records brand. And sounds FTP. So I think this is some, yes. So yes, this is the index of sounds. So AVL drum kits, all those sounds and everything, plugins, samples is stored here. You can download it from there and you can use it in your projects. So that's it for the introduction. We will meet in the next video where we will check out in details about the AV Linux. Bye bye. See you in the next video.